Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by identifying which traits you want to shift and why. Be specific. Once done, pick one attainable goal and a 30 to 90-day timeline so progress is measurable. Make sure to log daily. Note situations, reactions, and alternative responses you could try next time. Practice short role play for 5-10 minutes each day to build neural patterns. Keep accountability. Tell one friend or mentor what you're working on and check in weekly to stay honest and steady. Now you layer focused routines, rehearse posture and voice, practice brief assertive replies, and apply cognitive reframing to shift interpretations. Once comfortable, increase exposure. Initiate one challenging conversation per week and debrief it. Make sure to alternate practice and reflection, repeat behaviors until they feel natural, not forced. Use simple metrics each week to quantify change and adapt routines when you plateau. Keep mixing short drills with longer social experiments so skills generalize across content. To complete the transition, consolidate gains by using new behaviors in at least 2 different environments so they stick. Once done, set a maintenance plan, brief daily reps, and a monthly review of goals and setbacks to refine tactics. If progress stalls, reduce pressure. Scale back to micro-drills for a week and revisit small wins to rebuild momentum. Make sure to recalibrate goals rather than abandon them. Sustained change comes from consistency, patience, and iterative adjustments when outcomes differ from expectations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.